Hello and welcome guys. Welcome to our GoLang series. Today we are going to discuss the introduction for our Go language. Before starting, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe Tech World with G and please like and comment on the videos that I am creating. Before diving into Go language, first we need to learn what is Go language and what are the key features and use cases. Go language is general purpose programming language designed with system programming in mind. Go language is strongly typed and garbage collected and has explicit support for concurrent programming. This is important. It supports concurrent programming. Programs are constructed from packages whose properties allow efficient management of dependency. So this concept of packages we are going to discuss in future, and this concurrent programming is also that we are going to deeply discuss in future. So Go, also known as Go language, is an open source programming language developed by Google. So Google have created it is statically typed compiled language designed for simplicity, efficiency, and concurrency. Simplicity in the sense here means the directory structure or the code structure is very clean. Code structure is very clean. And this is very efficient, means running of Go language code is very efficient compared to Python. The program generally runs faster. It is comparable to Java programs in execution. Okay, and concurrency, it have a very good support for the concurrency. It is very popular for its concurrent programs. What is concurrency and how it can perform the concurrent task? We are going to discuss it later on. Moving forward, what are the key features of Go? It is statically typed. The type of variable is checked at the compile time, catching errors early in the development process. So statically typed means the type of the variable. For example, there is int variable. So if you type var x equals to 10, the variable type is determined at the compile time. So at the runtime, it can run more efficiency. Compiled Go code is compiled directly into the machine code, making it fast and efficient. So machine code is the fastest. So compilation, once it is converted into machine code, its execution will be the fastest. Concurrency. It has built-in support for concurrent programming, make it easier to write program that can perform multiple tasks simultaneously. Garbage collection. Go automatically manages memory and freeing developers from manual memory management. So we do not need to take care of the memory management. Garbage collector takes the care of memory management or cleaning of the memory. Simple syntax. Go has very clean and straightforward syntax, making it easier to read, learn and read. So it has very easy to learn syntax and management of the code is very straightforward. Standard library. Go comes with comprehensive standard library that provides a wide range of functionalities. These also we are going to discuss. Now moving forward, common use case of GoLang. So these are the some use cases of GoLang. One of them is web development, second is cloud computing, DevOps tools, networking programming, data science, command line tools. It has various examples. We can build websites as well as API servers, web and API servers. Cloud computing, one of the most popular is Kubernetes. You can write cloud computing application in the GoLang. Similarly, the DevOps tools also like Terraform can be written in GoLang. Is written in GoLang. Network programming, it has very good support for network services and protocols. So we can implement that also. Data science, building data processing pipelines and machine learning tools can also be used for data science. Command line tools is the CLI tools like Git. Okay, we can write Git commands, right? So that CLI tools also, CLI utilities can also be created in GoLang. Now moving forward, we have the use cases with examples and case studies from various companies that have been working in Go language. Okay, so let's move toward the use cases. So use cases, as already told, it can be used in cloud and network services, command line interfaces, web development, and development operation and site engineering. Now let's see examples of it. Cloud and network services. Docker and Kubernetes are very good examples that have been using Go language, that are developed in Go language. Okay, the definition, then you can read it over here. And various other services that are using Go language are Go is used by Google Cloud Platform, credit offers API from Capital One, Dropbox libraries. So various companies are using Go language in multiple form for their cloud computing and network services. Secondly, going command line interfaces. So if you go to the command line interfaces, so you can see GitHub command line tool is developed in Go. Okay, client is for Apache Pulsar, CLI client, Hugo website. This Hugo is also a very interesting project. It is also developed in Go. Hugo is one of the most popular Go CLI application powering thousands of sites. It's just like WordPress. You can create website in form of Markdown language, and that is powered with Go language. Kubernetes CLI tools are also created with Go language. Similarly, MongoDB, Netflix, there are multiple things that are using Go language in terms of command line interface. In web development also, there are multiple companies, Carry2, Cloudflare, Flare and Go, and many more that are built in Go language. So these are the companies that are currently using the tools like cloud and network services, command line interface, web development, and development or operation and site reliability. I will pass the URL in the description so you can go through each of the use cases. Development, operation, and site reliability engineering. Development operation teams help engineering organization automate tasks and improve their continuous integration. Basically, CI/CD kind of stuff comes under this. So, Docker CI/CD, Drone, etcd, various projects from IBM, Netflix, Microsoft, Terraform, Prometheus. So, there are many tools that are being developed in Go language. Now moving towards case studies. These are the various companies that are using Go language in multiple form and have their case studies published over here. Most important one is from the Google itself, because Google is the one that have created the Go language. So these are the things when the Go language started. Go started in September 2007 when Robert Greenser, Ken Thompson, these are the founders of the Go language. So these are all the details where they are using Go language currently. So similarly, how Google Core Data Solution teams uses Go, how their multiple teams are using Go. Everything is mentioned over here. You can read it thoroughly. So that's about the introduction of Go. Various companies are using Go language because of the simplicity and efficiency and concurrency. Means it is simple to write, it is efficient in running, and it has features of concurrency. That means program that can perform multiple tasks simultaneously. So these are the some important reasons why Go language is being popular today. Thanks for paying attention. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe Tech World with G, and also like and comment on the videos. Thank you.